Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will show you how to install the front and back press-down roller for the EPS cutting line. First, install the front press-down roller and then the back press-down roller. After lifting the press-down structure to the corresponding height with the help of a crane, you can start the installation. For standard EPS cutting line, we do not usually install front and back press-down rollers during the testing in the China factory, so we have recorded this video specifically for that purpose. Next, please watch the complete process. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.